Hello, hello, hello. I won a giveaway. The channel that I won the giveaway from is called Simply Jessica Marie. She has over 7,000 subscribers over there and over 1,500 videos. She does hauls, she does happy meals, she does reviews, she does store walkthroughs, she does all kinds of stuff. I will link her below. Please go check out her channel, show her some love and support. Here is the package of winnings. I don't usually enter giveaways, so I was really surprised to hear that I won the giveaway, because most giveaways I don't enter, but on occasion I'll enter one here and there. Okay, we're starting off with some Cool Moms socks. Look very comfortable. I like the colors too. Some Off-Duty Mom socks. Also, I like the colors. Very cute. Pink and purple. And then these are purple, pink, and peach. What else we got in here? Another pair of socks. Oh, these are really cute. Little cherry socks. Little cool cherries. And we also got some coffee socks. Very, very cute. Little coffee smiley face right there. Yeah. Okay. Some eyes and lips box set. This contains 2 pair of metallic eye masks and 2 pair of metallic lip masks. I'm gonna use these on the wife. The wife will enjoy these a whole lot. Give my wife a spa treatment, she'll like that. A sleep mask right here. Let's get it out of the container and see. I do actually use a sleep mask every night. Oh, that's really cute. That's a fun one. I like it. And then it's got the pretty plants on the other side. Very, very cute. I like it. I like it. I like it. And then last but not least, it looks like 3 facial sheet masks. There is a Hydrate, there is a Glow, and there is a Revive. Super awesome. Yeah, I'm going to be using those on the wife as well. Give her a full spa day at home. I'm sure she'll thoroughly enjoy that. And I'm going to enjoy the hell out of the socks and the eye mask. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. Please go check out her channel. Show her some love and support. Let her know I sent you. And, yeah. This is awesome. I'm going to go put the socks on right now. Y'all have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.